Imagine you're hiking with friends and somehow get separated from your group. Before you know it, it's getting dark, your phone has no signal, and you have no idea which direction to go. If a search team is sent to find you, one of the most valuable members of the team might not even be a person at all. It could be a dog. Most people know that search and rescue dogs exist, but I don't think many of us really know how they do what they do, how much training they receive, or that there are actually different types of search and rescue dogs that specialize in different situations. They are highly trained working animals that use their strong sense of smell and close relationships with handlers to find missing people in situations where people might struggle. For this speech, I'll talk about the history and development of search and rescue dogs, the training and certification processes they go through, and the different types of search and rescue dogs used in rescue missions. To start, I'll talk about how these dogs become part of rescue operations. According to the American Kennel Club, some of the earliest rescue dogs were Saint Bernards that worked with monks in the Swiss Alps. These dogs help locate travelers who became lost or trapped during winter storms. What's interesting is that people realized pretty early on that the dogs could do things people simply couldn't. Their sense of smell, ability to travel through difficult areas, and natural instincts made them very useful during emergencies. Over time, dogs started being used in military operations and natural disaster response efforts as well. According to the National Disaster Search Dog Foundation, search and rescue programs continue to develop as organizations learn how effective trained dogs were at finding missing people. Today, search and rescue dogs are an important part of emergency response teams around the world. Of course, these dogs aren't born knowing how to do these jobs. Their skills come from extensive training and certification. One thing that did surprise me while researching this topic was just how much training these dogs do. According to the National Disaster Search Dog Foundation, these dogs are trained using positive reinforcements, which means they learn through rewards and games instead of punishments. When a dog successfully finds a person, it receives a reward, which encourages them to repeat this behavior. Training doesn't happen overnight either. Research published in scientific reports found that these dogs spend months and sometimes years developing the skills needed to learn to work in real rescue situations. They have to learn how to search in forests, disaster zones, unfamiliar environments, and difficult weather conditions. The handlers have to complete training also. According to the American Kennel Club, certification evaluates both the dog and the handler because they have to function as a team. A highly trained dog is important, but without a skilled handler, the dog's abilities can't be used effectively. Once the dog's training is complete, they can specialize in different types of rescue work. Not all of them do the same job as well. Some are trained especially for wilderness researches. According to the American Kennel Club, wilderness search dogs help locate missing hikers, campers, and other individuals in large outdoor areas. Others are trained as disaster search dogs. According to the National Disaster Search Dog Foundation, um, these dogs help locate survivors after events like earthquakes, hurricanes, and building collapses. There are also human remains detection dogs, which helps in recovery operations when locating missing people. Another specialized role is water recovery. These dogs can detect scents associated with underwater targets and help search teams narrow down search areas. What I found most interesting in these is that they all require on the same incredible sense of smell and relationship with their handler. So, the next time you hear about a missing hiker or a rescue effort on the news, remember that one of the most important members of that search team might just be a dog whose training and the abilities help bring someone home safely. Thank you.